Hi guys, what's up? This is Anushri and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I'd be really happy if you do so. So in today's video, we are doing a Zudio haul. There was a huge massive sale happening on Zudio. I'm not sure वो अभी भी sale live है या नहीं. So there are some items that I picked up from the sale and there are quite a few items that I got without any sale on it. This is the whole bag that I've got. इतना सारा शॉपिंग किया है मैंने. So first tip, I got a pair of earrings. वो ऐसे पैकेजिंग में आता है. I've already worn them, which is why. But this is how they look. These are so cute. It's like a flower. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Yeah, very pretty. It was for 49 rupees and I got it in a bag. उसमें white color का आया था but मैंने पहन लिया तो I can't find it now. Next tip, we got clips, hair clips. इसमें से मैंने ये निकाली है यूज़ करने और एक तो मुझसे घूम गई है. But these were for 79. Next tip, I got this. This I got from sale section and I got it for 49 rupees. These are pack of 6. I've used one of those. Next tip, I've got these. Down to chill lip mask. I am going to put a shots using these as to how they are. Next I got again down to chill wala under eye patch. I've not used it yet but I'll again make a shot and put it on shots for you guys to check. This is like a pack of 10 into 2, so yeah. And then I got this one. It's the whip head ड्राई शैम्पू इंस्टेंट रिफ्रेश एंड वॉल्यूम बूस्ट. मैंने आज बाल धोए हैं वरना मैं आपको यूज़ करके बताती. बट अगेन आई मेक अ शॉट ऑफ ऑल दीज प्रोडक्ट्स सो यू नो हाउ दे टर्न आउट टू बी. सो नेक्स्ट आई गॉट दीज हैंड मास्क. आई गॉट 3 ऑफ देम. एक मेरे लिए, मम्मी के लिए और एक मीनू के लिए. सो आई कांट फाइंड एक कहाँ है. आई थिंक प्रॉबेबली समबडी माइट हैव यूज्ड बट दिस इज हाउ दे लुक. इट्स वेरी क्यूट पैकेजिंग ऑनेस्टली. very cute. Oh yeah, found it. Told you, right? Yeah. So I got 3 of these. I'm really excited to use these. I'm planning to do their nails while I also give them like a hand mask thingy. So I started doing nails. If you have no idea about it, I'll link my page down below for you guys to check it out. I'm a freelancer. This is what I did on my nails so far. Yeah. The next thing I got are these lip balms. I've got not 1, not 2, not 3. I have one more which I've opened because I wanted to use one lip balm out of it. But I've got 4 of them. I think I've not got cherry or coffee. बस 2 ही मैंने variants नहीं उठाए. बाकी मैंने सारे variants उठाए हैं. So these are the lip balms that I've got. Next tip, we got this one. This is again in the size 32 but ये 32 बड़ा है. So मैंने ये try करके लिया which is why even I am 34. okay, according to Zudio का साइज कुछ मुझे 32 आ जाता है, कुछ मेरे को 34 आता है, कुछ मेरे को 36 भी आता है. सो दिस मेरे को 32 आ गया एंड ये हल्का सा लूज है for me but I picked it up from the sale section and I got it for 499. So this is how it looks. It's a bottom wear and it has like a pocket and ये drawstrings है आगे to tie it up and it is completely elasticated which is why I think so. Yeah, that's much. And yeah, I think yeah दोनों बाजू उसके pockets है which is what I like and it's a little क्या काफ़ी long है for me. I am like hardly 5. I am 4'9". So my height is 4'9", तो ये मेरे लिए काफ़ी लंबा है. But if you are anybody around 5 and above तो ये आपको proper आएगा. Okay, so next tip, I got this black elasticated pants है ये straight cut pants है. Now this pants I have got in size. So ये मैंने मम्मी और समीक्षा तीनों के लिए लिया है. I'm in the size 34. थोड़ा सा मेरे को लूज है but yeah I'm in size 34. I got a 32 for Samiksha and we got a 36 in white for my mom. Okay, so it's really good और अच्छा मटेरियल है. It's amazing. मतलब मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा and I think we got this for the full price. Okay, so this black वाला, this one also has pockets on both the sides. So काफ़ी अच्छी बात है ये. I love pants with pockets because ऐसी pants में मोस्टली पॉकेट्स नहीं आते हैं. लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, आई गॉट लाइक अ वाइट फॉर माई मम इन द साइज 36 एंड आई थिंक इसमें टैग है, वेट, वो हम लोग ने खोल दिया है, मैंने और मीनू ने. या सो वी गॉट दिस वन फॉर 599. वी पेड फुल प्राइस. I did not pick it up from the sale section. And yeah, so this is how it looks. White हल्का सा see through है, नहीं है, it's not that see through. So ये देखो, I mean it's really good. This is how it looks. Again, इसमें आगे बटन है और zip है and पीछे there's this elastic. And again it has pockets on both the ends and ये उसका पैंट का नीचे का है. So that's how wide it is. We picked up 4 kurtis for mom, out of which 3 we are supposed to exchange. तो मैं अभी तक गई नहीं हूँ exchange करवाने, so might as well just show you that. But this is one of the kurtis we got. Again, this is not from the sale section. Most of मम्मी की चीज़ें are not from the sale section. But yeah, this is the kurti we got. इस पे से आगे थोड़ा टिक्की sort of काम है. I hope you can see. और ये जो है इट्स काइंड ऑफ फॉइल प्रिंट. ओके, सो अगेन दिस इज इन द साइज XXL. और ये अच्छे से फिट आ गया. आई हैव गॉट अदर XXL जो अच्छे से फिट नहीं आया, विच इज़ वाई वी आर वांटिंग टू एक्सचेंज विद दोज वर फ्रॉम द सेल. सो दिस इज हाउ दिस कुर्ती लुक्स लाइक. मैं इसका घड़ी नहीं बिगाड़ने वाली हूँ वरना डांट पड़ेगी. But this is how the sleeves look like. इसके sleeves पे there's this work sort of a thing. Yeah, I'm not sure if you'll be getting all the items we got because I went to 3 different studios in around my area. कुछ चीज़ें यहाँ थी, कुछ चीज़ें वहाँ नहीं थी, so ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई. But this was not from the sale section, so I guess you might get it. That kurti was for 399 rupees. We got 3 kurtis for mom. All of them are in XXL. This is the first one. I think this is the second one. But these are the ones from the return section. I'm going to return all of these because they don't fit at all. And so this is what we got. This is how it looks. It's very floral. And we got it for 299. So this is what the kurti looks like. इस पे थोड़ा सा ऐसा गोटा पत्ती सा वर्क है, बस. That's all. Nothing else. और यहाँ पे है गोटा पत्ती on the neck. But yeah, this is how this one looks. The next one I think we picked up from the same section. Again, very similar. Gota patti here. This is also for 299 rupees and gota patti on the sleeve again. So it's a very breathy fabric और थोड़ा सा see through है. But yeah, this is what it looks like. ये भी रिटर्न वाला ही है. एंड द नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट वन वी गॉट इज, सो दिस वाज ऑन द सेल. दिस इज फॉर 499 बट वी गॉट इट फॉर 299. नाउ दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. इट्स अ ब्लूइश, बेबी ब्लूइश कलर एंड इसमें ना थोड़ा सा शिमर है ऑन द फैब्रिक. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू गाइज कैन कैच इट अप ऑन स्क्रीन, बट या. एंड देन दिस इज द स्लीव. दिस इज हाउ द स्लीव लुक्स लाइक. एंड उसका गला इज लाइक दिस. सो या, दिस इज हाउ द नेक लुक्स लाइक. मतलब भले ही कुर्ती पूरा प्लेन है बट द नेक मेक्स इट अप. एंड या, अगेन दिस इज इन XXL बट ये XXL भी फिट नहीं हुआ है. नॉट श्योर अबाउट जूडियो का साइजिंग बिकॉज कुछ कुछ हो जाता है, कुछ कुछ नहीं होता है. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई गॉट इज दिस स्कर्ट. This is how it looks and it has some lacy detailing underneath. And I got it in size 32 large. Now this was on sale and so its original is 699 but I got it for 399 rupees. So this is how it looks. ये उसका texture ऐसा है. I hope you can see. And it's quite stretchy. Next tip I got a denim. Now ये denim का color मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था and इसका 36 was very loose on me. So I got a 34. Now this is their Miami Sculpt Skinny in 34XL. I got this and Samiksha wore it once. So I don't have the tag. अगर मैंने खोला होता तो मेरे पास tag संभाल के होता. So this is how it looks. This is the bottom. It's like a skinny fit jeans. I really loved इसका color. इसमें एक और था जो मुझे थोड़ा comfortable fit था but I did not like the color. Even though both the sizes were 34. I don't know. Zudio ka sizes I don't understand. Next tip I got is this top. Now these tops, I think quite a few are picked from the sale section in double XL. This is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. इसमें ऐसा है. So it's not like, it has a little bit of cap sleeve kind of thing. And this is how the texture is of the material. Yeah, I got it in double XL, and the original price was 399 rupees, and I got it for 199. Next tip, I got this one. I really loved its fit. It was snatching my body. It was so good. I got it in size L. अब XL में problem मुझे ये हो रही थी कि यहाँ से जो arm hole है was very big. So I got it in L. Now this is like a snug fit to your body. This is how it looks. Yeah, उसका neck is almost like here. तो काफी बंद है इसका neck. So this is the armhole, and then there is like a cinching thing near your tongue part. I loved it. और इसका fabric भी काफी अच्छा है, काफी smooth and soft to touch है. So this one was originally for 399. I got it for 199 in size large. Next I got this one in double XL. So this is like a cottony t-shirt kind of thing. So this is how it looks. इस पे थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे cinching effect के लिए elastic दिया है. This is how the arms look like. I think this and the pink one are almost same except for the material of the fabric and the texture of the fabric. So this is how it looks. I got it in double XL because I wanted like a boxy fit and not like a snugging fit. So yeah, इसका मुझे XL भी आ जाता, but I love this color और इसमें मुझे XL double XL मिल गया, so I picked it up. And this is for 399. Got it for 199. इस पे ये tag नहीं है, but the one I liked, मतलब so I tried a beige color and उसका similar ये था, but इसमें 199 का tag नहीं था, which is why I cross verified and he said it's for 199, so I picked it up. I got like 3 set of full briefs, 1, 2 and 3. ये briefs है, your underwear basically. Next tip, I got a pack of 3 briefs. Now I don't know why, but Zudio does not do low rise. I picked one in mid rise, so most all of them are mid rise underwears. This is what I got. It's a pack of 3. इसमें एक black भी आता है, which I can't find. मैंने packs खोल दिए है, which is why. So एक ये है this print. It's cottony material और उस पे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ऐसा लेसी सा काम है. Yeah, so this is one, this is the other one. Next we got are these pack of 2 briefs. इस पे क्या cheeky कुछ तो लिखा है. Again, I'm in size large. I just had so it's called cheeky brief. This is how it looks. It's modal stretch, medium coverage, mid waist. All of the Zudio undies are for mid waist. I don't know why. This is again also for 249. ये आपको एक 124 का पड़ता है. It's very soft to touch, and yeah, this is how it looks. These are the laces. There are 2 colors. मतलब इसमें ज़्यादा color options नहीं थे. Even इस वाले में बहुत सारे options थे to choose from. Plain भी थे, without prints भी थे. But इसमें कोई color नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था. So this is what they had, and this is how it looks. Yeah, so we got this. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.